Hey everyone. So in this daily maintenance flow, we're going to address arm line, grip strength, and then move the hips through all your planes of motion. So let's go ahead and get started. Using a 6-foot stick here, we're going to start by bringing the feet about 2 or 3 inches apart. I'm going to place the stick at 3 o'clock, just a few inches away from my midfoot. So I'm going to reach my right hand up. I'm taking a rope grip at the top. I'm going to bring my left hand across and grab the stick at sternum level. So that way we're ensuring that the weight of the stick is going to be able to hold the weight of your body. Take that right leg and reach behind you and place the side of your foot on the floor. And from there, start to hang and drop your weight onto your right arm. So you want to drop your hip down and out towards the bottom of the stick and lightly push the right foot or the side of the right foot into the ground. Probably about 30-40% tension, and simultaneously do the same thing with the right hand. You're going to feel the lat engage, you're going to feel your scapula pull down, and now from here we can rotate the stick across our body. And you're going to feel those spiral lines, and as you rotate you're going to feel that pull all the way down into the side of the right foot. Ease out of it, come back up, and now let's repeat that. So once again, grip, place your right foot behind you, side of the foot on the floor, drop your weight towards the ground, push the side of your right foot into the floor, push the stick into the ground at 40% tension, pack that shoulder down, and then add that rotation. Make sure you're breathing, don't hold your breath. Come back up, and now let's change directions here. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to change my angle so that you can see the stick and foot placement is still the same. I'm going to take the right foot this time, I'm going to place it behind me. As you can see, I'm extending the ankle. I want to address the top of the foot, which sometimes gets tight at the top of the ankle and can create some effects and can affect the posterior or calf tissue. From here, I'm going to drop my weight down towards the floor. As I do that, I'm going to feel load on the top of my right foot. So I'm going to push the stick down into the floor at about 40% tension, and I'm simultaneously lightly pushing the top of my right foot down into the floor also. I'm going to hold that for a few seconds, come back up, and we're going to repeat that again. Reset your grip, give your hand a little bit of rest if you need it, and step back with the right foot, top of the right foot on the floor, drop down, push the stick down into the ground at about 40% tension with the right hand, and push the top of the right foot down into the floor. Breathe and relax. Now let's move laterally. So here I have my feet set up, same position. Taking that right foot, stepping around the stick, stepping out. Nice wide position. So I'm stepping out to my 3 o'clock. As I step out, I'm automatically, reflexively putting load on this right arm. I'm going to push the right foot into the floor and drive my weight onto my left hip. Ease off. Bring your foot back, reset your grip, and repeat. Step out, wide grip, drop your hips down, push the stick into the floor at 30% tension, push the right foot into the ground to drive you over to your left hip. Come back up, and now let's go into a little bit of a back bend. I'll change my angle here once again so that you have a little better line of sight. From here, I'm going to take my right foot, I'm going to step forward and simultaneously pull the stick back. So I'm leaning back, I feel my left glute, and I'm pushing the stick into the floor at about 40% tension with that right hand. And I'm pushing the sole of my right foot down into the ground. Come back up, and let's do that one more time. Step forward with that right foot, then lean back, pull the right arm back a little bit. You're going to feel that opening up all through the ribs here. pushing the stick down into the ground. Make sure you're breathing. Come back up and relax. Switch the stick to the opposite side and repeat the entire process that we just did. That'll feel really good on the arm line. The hips will be opened up. You'll have created that rotational movement that you need, that your body needs. Lateral, sagittal, all three planes of motion have been addressed. Have a good one. I think you'll really enjoy this one.